Hello student, good morning. So today we are going to start our chapter number 5, that is does it look the same, means क्या ये same लग रहे हैं. अब first of all we are going through the definitions. First one is mirror house. One half of the figure will be the reflection of the other figure is called mirror house. You can see the example of the triangle and square. I repeat, one half of the figure will be the reflection to the other is called mirror house. Now second, line of symmetry. The mirror line that divides the figure into two equal parts is known as the line of the symmetry. I repeat, line of symmetry. The mirror line that divides the figure into two equal parts is known as the line of the symmetry. Now third one is symmetrical figure. The figure which exists a line which divides the figure into two mirror halves called symmetrical figure. I repeat, symmetrical figure. The figure which exists a line which divides the figure into two mirror halves called symmetrical figure. You can see the example of here. Now fourth one, asymmetrical figure. The figure which exists no line. I repeat, the figure which exists no line which divides the figure into two mirror halves is called asymmetrical figure. असिमेट्रिकल फिगर किसे कहते हैं? जिसमें मिरर लाइन जो होती है वो इक्वली डिवाइड करने वाली नहीं होती है, उसको बोलते हैं असिमेट्रिकल फिगर. द फिगर विच एग्जिस्ट नो लाइन विच डिवाइड्स द फिगर इनटू टू मिरर हाउस इज कॉल्ड असिमेट्रिकल फिगर. यू कैन सी द एग्जांपल ऑफ असिमेट्रिकल फिगर, बिकॉज अगर इसको हम डिवाइड भी करेंगे इक्वली तो ये नहीं हो पाएगा और ये मिरर हाउस में कन्वर्ट नहीं हो पाएगी. नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. You can see in your textbook there is one activity. Which activity? Very exciting activity. Like what? What you have to do? You have to take a sheet of paper. You can take any paper, blank paper or lining paper would be okay. So now what we have to do? You have to take a sheet of paper and fold it equally from the middle. You have to fold the paper equally from the middle, and this folding line, on this folding line you have to put a drops of color like this. You can take more if you want. And again press and fold, and right now you have to fold it twice from the middle. Now just press it lightly and you have to see the magic. Yes, you can see this picture now. It is equally on the both sides. Okay, so this activity you have to do at your home and send me the picture of this activity. Okay students. Now you can see the various shapes of the triangle and this shape. If you cut it half from the middle, the image would be the mirror image, that is called mirror house. Now there are many pictures here. You have to observe this picture is mirror house or not. So the first one picture is equally from the both side, but you have to observe the color scheme also. You have to observe color scheme also. So this is the not image of mirror house. Now second one is also not the image of the mirror house. Now third one is also not the image of mirror house. Now fourth one is also different color scheme, so it is also not the mirror house image. Now fifth one is image of mirror house. Now sixth one is image of the butterfly, but it is an image of mirror house. Now 7 number, you can see the 7 number picture here, and it is the image of the mirror house. Now number 8, you can observe this mirror line and it is equally from the both side. If you cut it down or both, you can see this image is the mirror image. Now number 9, number 9 is not the image of the mirror lines. You can observe very carefully. This is not the image of the mirror house. Now 10 number image is equally by the shapes, but you have to observe the color scheme also. This is not the mirror house image. Now number 12, it is also not the image of mirror house. 13 number, yes, 13 number image, you can see these mirror lines and it is the image of mirror house. 14 number is not the mirror house image. And last but not the least, 15 number. 15 number, if you can see this mirror line from the middle, this is the image of mirror house. Okay students, for today you have to do this activity at your home. You have to make this like picture and activity, and you have to send your pictures on me, and this activity you have to do in your textbook also. Okay students, we will meet in next video. Bye bye, take care.